Hi, I'm Merritt. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm only organized in my planner, and today I am unboxing my Laurel Denise order. And of course, I ordered too much. It always is that way with new planners, but I am super excited. So I'm going to kind of pull this paper out and really ordered too much. Oh, this one's going to be difficult to get out. So let me do that and show you what I got. Okay, let's get started. There is a lot happening here. So I just did order too much. All right, this one is, let's see. Oh, all right. These are, I got some gold foil star stickers. And then I just don't remember Laurel Denise having stickers before. These are hand drawn by a member of their staff. So these apple ones I thought were so adorable. And then these florals, I never can say this word, anemone, is that right? I always think of anemones as, aren't those the creatures in the ocean too? Am I dreaming that? Somebody let me know in the comments. And then these midnight pine forest stickers are so cute. I know there's a bit of a glare from my lights and the plastic that's around it. Okay, then these are sticky notes. Let's pull this off so you can see, like, this cover is just gorgeous. Anyway, so lots of sizes of sticky notes, from the itty bitty to the large column size. And then this, oh, I just love this yellow color. Look how I'm really excited about this. All right, let's move the box. I love the boxes, and I never know, like, I want to keep them, but I do not need to keep them. Okay, let's look at this. All right, this is a vertical planner. It's got our 2026 all year here. And then there is the monthly. And then it is just a vertical with a space at the bottom. And I think it is fabulous. They're supposed to be, there they are. There are two bookmarks. So one can go in your month, and then one can go on the week that you're on, so that you have easy access to those. But I just absolutely love this. I currently use a big Happy Planner dashboard for my work planner, but this I just think is elegant for work. Like, I don't know, I think there's a good possibility I may switch to this next year. I really like that one. So that is called the Most Noble. And I think that I got it a Monday start. Let's double check. Yes, so I have my work week together, and then Saturday and Sunday on the edges. I'm used to, in a Happy Planner, the monthly is always a Sunday start, but the weeklies are a Monday start. I'm a little concerned that that's going to throw me off a bit by having the monthly not be a Sunday start. I don't know. We'll see if I can handle it. Okay, this is the horizontal, which is no longer called the horizontal. What is it called? The Nancy. Like, how pretty is this? All right. I have a friend's birthday coming up, and I'd really like to use this, some of this paper in her gift. Okay, so This is the Nancy, and it is a mini horizontal. So, I have a big horizontal this year. The only thing about this one is, I don't know if you can tell how tiny these dates are. So it's not that big of a deal because there's plenty of space to write here. This one again is a Monday start. So you've got your dates there, and then you have a lot of space on Monday and then a place for a list there. And then you've also got plenty of places for lists here, as well as a tracker back there. So this is, I think, really cute for that. And then 2 bookmarks in here, so you can mark both your monthly. Let's make sure that I'm in the right spot here. There we go. So you can mark both your monthly and your weekly. What did I do with that? Oh, there it is. Hiding. There. Okay. So it says you are here, and then it says you are also here, which I think are very cute. All right, so those are your 2 bookmarks. And again, the inside, like, how beautiful is that cover? I think it's so pretty. All of the covers are absolutely gorgeous. I think the name of this cover is Lizzie's Stroll. This one is my favorite. This is my favorite cover, though. I think it was a lot of people's favorite covers. I think this is going to be a big seller for Laurel Denise this year. This cover is called Bewitched. Let's pull this out. Let me see. This planner is the portrait planner, which is now called the Scout. So the Scout is the portrait planner. Let's just look. First of all, those poppies, right, are just absolutely gorgeous. And then the inside, like, how pretty is this design here? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And with the swans. Okay, so then we've got our months at a glance here, so you can put down your goals, things that you need to remember, birthdays, special dates and events. And then, oh my gosh, the paper is so thick. It's so nice. And then you've got your monthly at the top, some habit trackers, boxes for things to do or for goals, lists. And then you have each date that corresponds. I think I have 1 Sunday start in this planner. I mean, out of all the planners I bought, because this one is a Monday as well. So, but I just love the portrait planner, the Scout planner. So this one is great. And then all of the months look alike. And then at the back, there may be, let's see, yes, yearly wins, yearly lessons, planning ahead. So this is all of the dates for 2027, so you have access to those. A year, I don't remember this. I love this. I love this. Okay, so in the front of the Happy Planner that I'm currently using, there are these, the weekends are kind of colored in a bit, but it's where I write down like my work schedule, like my school schedule, school holidays, those types of things, and then birthdays. Did not know that this one had that as well. I love it also because it doesn't matter what year it is, because it's just the days on there. So that is fantastic. And then this is almost like you could make habit trackers. It's also like a grade book. If you are a teacher, you can also use this for checklists. This is great. Yeah, I like this a lot. And then, so there are 2 pages of that, 2 full-size pages, and then just some graph paper, and then some dot grid. And then the last page is, books I'm reading, what I'm listening to, happy moments, gratitude, hobbies, ways I'm moving my body, I'm excited for, I'm hopeful for. I love this. And those appear to be new changes. I don't think these are in the back. I'm going to have to look now at my current Laurel Denise to see, do those exist? Okay, let's look in the 2025 one. Okay, that is in there. Okay, so they don't have that yearly plan in last year. So that is a new addition, and that is an excellent. And that checklist, the one that kind of looks like a grade book, that's a new addition as well. I love that. That's really exciting. Okay, let's put last year's back up. And then we'll get into this. Okay, so I have, these are just some time block sheets that I got that can go in any planner. And these are also time block sheets that could go in the Scout. And then one more. Oh no, I ripped. Okay. Oh, just look how pretty. How pretty is this? Okay, so this is the big horizontal, which is now called, oh shoot. Oh no, this isn't. This is the vertical. Okay, the cover is called Pemberley Gardens. And I thought that I had gotten the big horizontal, but okay, like that's beautiful. But look at the inside. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Okay, let me move these out of the way because this is a big girl. She is definitely a big girl, so let's get her. Moving all these others so that you can see. Oh, she just fits. All right, so she is called now? The vertical is now called the Anne. So this is the Anne, and you've got your 2026 at a glance. And then we've got our monthly, and this one is a Sunday start. So I knew I'd ordered one that was a Sunday start. This is our Sunday start. And then we've got lists here, which I just really like. I don't know what I'm using all these planners for. I have no idea. But I got really excited as I was shopping. So some of them may be gifts for people for Christmas, because I don't know what my planner lineup for 2026. I don't know what the lineup is going to be. So not sure there, but this may be, I may be gifting some things, but that's okay, because why not share the love of planners, right? Okay, so February, like all the months look alike. We've just got the vertical Sunday start. Let's see what she's got in the back. Okay, let's go here. Okay, so we've got yearly wins. We've got 2027. Okay, so this one has January through December going this way, and you've got a box for each one. Kind of like that, because then you could put things on sticky notes and they could move if you needed them. And then you've also got this checklist, habit tracker, teacher grade book situation happening. I like these. I like these a lot. And then you have your graph paper and your dot grid. And the inside of this, okay, so in person, oh, I don't know what my favorite cover is. This one, when I saw it, I absolutely fell in love. But now, this might be my favorite. I don't know. They're all gorgeous. They're gorgeous. So, this one, those are very similar. But that's the sticky notes. This book-bound vertical. Okay, so the book-bound vertical is called the Christie. Right? Yes, the Christie. So, and I didn't look in the back here. I am so excited about this. I love this new addition to these planners. Laurel and team, you did it. Oh, look how big this pocket is too. Like, that's fantastic. Okay, she's beautiful. All right, so those are the 4 planners that I got. And then the 2 inserts, 3 sets of stickers, and some stars. Y'all, this release, if you have not shopped, I don't know what you're waiting for. I will link my affiliate link below, as well as I have a code for 10% off. So if you are shopping Laurel Denise, I would really appreciate it if you use my link and get yourself 10% off. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the products. I will do my best to answer that for you. Hope that you love these as much as I do. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and see which of these planners, how many of them, how I'm going to use them in 2026. So stay tuned. We will see. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.